In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to remove a green screen in Canva Video. If you're looking to elevate your video editing skills using Canva, you've come to the right place. Let's dive right into it. First, open up Canva in your web browser. Once you're there, you'll want to locate the Create a Design button. This is your starting point for anything new you want to create in Canva. Click on it and a search bar will appear at the top of the menu. In this search bar, type video and press enter. This will bring up various video format options, including portrait, square, and landscape. For the purpose of this tutorial, select landscape video as it's a common format for many types of projects. Once your blank canvas is set up, look to the left navigation bar. You'll see various options including templates, elements, and more. What we need now is the Upload section, so go ahead and click on Uploads. This is where you'll be able to import your own video files into Canva. Next, find and click on the Upload Files button. This action will open a dialog box where you can browse through your computer's files. Navigate to the folder where your green screen video is stored, select it, and click Open. The selected video will begin uploading to Canva. Once uploaded, you'll see a thumbnail of your video in the Uploads section. After your video is uploaded, click on its thumbnail to add it to your canvas. Now, here comes the magic part, removing the green screen. Look at the top of your screen for the Effects button. Click on it, and a new menu will appear with various effect options. What you're looking for is the BG Remover, which stands for Background Remover. It's important to note that this feature is only available to Canva Pro users, so you'll need a subscription to access it. Once you click on BG Remover, Canva will automatically detect and remove the green screen from your video. This might take a few moments depending on the length and complexity of your video. After the process is complete, you'll see that the green screen has been replaced with a transparent background. From here, you can add any background you like, be it an image, another video, or a solid color, whatever suits your project best. And there you have it. You've successfully removed a green screen from your video using Canva. Feel free to play around with the other editing tools Canva offers to enhance your video further. Thank you for watching and happy editing.